Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create envelope format and print in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show create envelope format and print. Now firstly, going to the file menu option. Now click for a new option, then click for a search bar. Now search from envelope. Now for enter form search. Now click for search. That is. Then you show many format is a open, then select from any format. Now click for format. Now click for a caret option. That is. Then you show caret envelope format. Now this format is in the print. Now going to the file menu option, then click for a print option. Now click for a print. That is. Then caret envelope format and print in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.